What's up, guys? This is the next one we got in for a full wrap this week. It's it's newer. It's a S Class S580. I think it's a 2021. It's a beautiful car. It's massive. It's like the top of the line luxury for the Mercedes Benzes. So yeah, as you can see, it's got some nice wheels on it. It's black, which is beautiful for wrap. You know, when you open the doors and everything, and in between all the cracks and crevices, it's all just dark black. It's a nice change from me just finishing a white car. So I'm happy about this one. And it's going down in super gloss black rose. So it's kind of like it's a very classy color. Definitely gonna be really nice on this car. It's probably like the perfect color other than black. I really do like this black, but as you guys know, black paint is hard to maintain. So not only is it gonna protect the paint, the wrap is gonna protect the paint, but it's also gonna, you know, change the color. It's gonna maybe look better. Obviously for the client, it's gonna look a lot better. So this is what he wants. We're leaving all the chrome that you see. So on the side skirts, the trims, everything, all the chrome staying. Obviously it's gonna match the wheels and it's gonna go nice, I think, with the black rose color. So yeah, we're gonna get down on this one. It's fully prepped. I actually figured out that it was wrapped before. So under the side skirt, they didn't completely unwrap it. There's some pieces under there, so that's how I know. So I gotta remove that. But other than that, this thing's ready to go. Black cars, like I said, are the easiest to wrap. So this is gonna be smooth. No removal, just the badges and the spoiler, which I normally do, but I don't know why I just forgot. It got late. And I wanted to wash the car. So just on this car, literally just the badges and the spoiler. The handles you don't even have to remove because they are like you know, they slide in and out. So you don't have to remove those. And front end, just these two badges. So yeah, that's it, man. It's gonna be a smooth ride at this one. Hopefully I'm gonna try to get it done in like 3 days because I got a lot of work ahead of me. And yeah, I'm gonna put you guys on a time lapse. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. I think this one's gonna come out sick. All right, guys, the S Class S580 Benz is finally done. This thing came out insane. It looks so proper now with this color. It was black, so it's obviously not a massive change, but this color is metallic black rose, and it's super gloss. So as you can see, I mean, it literally looks like paint or better. And it made this car look completely different, even though it's a very minor change. So yeah, full wrap in this thing, in the black rose, and everything was pretty simple on this car. This was maybe one of the easiest cars I wrapped just because it was black, and every panel is kind of just simple. Like the hood's pretty flat. The whole side's pretty flat. Obviously the side skirt has that chrome trim that I worked around, but other than that, I mean, even bumpers were just really simple on this thing. Not much to wrap. Just got to worry about the reflectors. And even door handles are just simple. It's just this one piece, leaving the chrome trim. And, you know, they don't even have to remove them because they just slide out. But yeah, rear end badges are back on. Spoiler was removed and wrapped as well. We left the top black. It would just be this little piece if we were to wrap it because the rest is glass. But usually I always leave it black so it looks fully panoramic. I think that's the best look. And yeah, let me know what you guys think. I mean, I think it came out sick. This is a perfect color for this car just to keep it classy. The wheels are sick. They're like 24s, I think. The 5-spoke just looks so good on this car. And the car is just super smooth. I mean, just backing it up in and out of my driveway. It's a super sick and fully luxury car, obviously. So it has to be smooth. But yeah, front end, pretty much all one piece other than one inlay on or a couple inlays on the corners of that middle grille. But yeah, let me know what you guys think. S Class, it's a S580 Benz, fully wrapped in metallic black rose. So came out sick in my opinion, and it's ready to go.